sigma theta, sigma x, sigma y, sigma x, sigma y, tau xy, tau xy. Sigma theta is equal to sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus sigma x minus sigma y by 2 cos 2 theta plus tau xy sin 2 theta. Tau theta is equal to sigma x minus sigma y by 2 into sin 2 theta minus tau xy cos 2 theta. For principal plane, tau theta is equal to 0. 2 tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tau xy by sigma x minus sigma y. Sigma 1 is equal to sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus root of sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square plus tau xy square. Sigma 2 is equal to sigma x plus sigma y by 2 minus root of sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square plus tau xy square. Tau max is equal to root of sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square plus tau xy square is equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 2. Morse circle, shear stress on y-axis, normal stress on x-axis. This is sigma x comma tau y, this is sigma y comma tau xy. Positive tension, negative compression. If it is clockwise, then shear stress is taken as clockwise is taken as positive and anti-clockwise is taken as negative. Simple tension, mild steel, ductile, it will fail like this. For cone fracture, cast iron brittle, it will fail D plane. 0 comma 0 sigma comma 0. Torsion mx or t. M bar is equal to mx I cap plus my j cap plus mz k cap. T by j is equal to tau by r is equal to g theta by l. J is equal to polar moment of inertia is equal to ix is equal to iy plus iz. G is equal to rigidity modulus. J is equal to pi by 32 d power 4. Tau directly proportional to r. Tau max for mild steel, the plane with tau max is mild steel, it is ductile. Tau max will be in this direction only, so it will fail like this. Cast iron is brittle. In this direction, sigma will be more, so it will fail like this. Circle tau comma 0 minus tau comma 0, more circle will be like this. Bending moment m by I is equal to sigma b by y is equal to e by r. Sigma b directly proportional to y. Top, it will, as it is in compression, both it will be here, or bottom, both will be here. Uniaxial, it is top is compression, bottom will be in tension. M is applied like this. Stress distribution will be linear. Hydrostatic stress under hydrostatic pressure, they can carry more load. Sigma 1 is equal to sigma 2 is equal to sigma 3. Point on Morse circle, hydrostatic pressure, then it is point on Morse circle. Maximum theories of failure, maximum normal stress theory or Rankine theory. If sigma 1 greater than sigma 2 greater than sigma 3, then sigma 1 greater than or equal to SYT, it will fail. To avoid failure, sigma 1 less than or equal to SYT. Sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. Sigma 1 is equal to SYT by Fs for ductile material. Sigma is equal to SYT SUT by Fs for brittle material. Square ductile material like this, square brittle material, it will be like this. SUC will be more. Compressive strength will be more for brittle material. Guests or Truscas or maximum shear stress theory. Tau max is equal to maximum of mod of sigma 1 minus sigma 3 by 2 comma mod of sigma 3 minus sigma 2 by 2 comma mod of sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. Shear strength at yield point SSY is equal to SYT by 2. Valid for ductile, most conservative. Truscas theory, most conservative. Sigma 1, sigma 2, SYT, 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 SYT. Construct a hexagon like this. Saint Venant theory or maximum principal strain theory, epsilon 1 is equal to sigma 1 by E minus mu sigma 2 by E minus mu sigma 3 by E. Epsilon 2 is equal to sigma 2 by E minus mu sigma 3 by E minus mu sigma 1 by E. Mu is equal to 0.5 rubber, mu is equal to 0 cork. epsilon 1 greater than or equal to SYT by E, then it will fail. Design sigma 1 minus mu sigma 2 minus mu sigma 3 is equal to SYT by Fs. It will be rhombus. Higgs theory or maximum strain energy theory, U total per unit volume is equal to half sigma 1 epsilon 1 plus half sigma 2 epsilon 2 half plus half sigma 3 epsilon 3. U total is equal to 1 by Te into sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus sigma 3 square minus 2 mu sigma 1 sigma 2 plus sigma 2 sigma 3 plus sigma 3 sigma 1. U total greater than or equal to UYP, then it will fail. SYT by Fs is equal to root of sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus sigma 3 square minus 2 mu sigma 1 sigma 2 plus sigma 2 sigma 3 plus sigma 3 sigma 1. For 2D, SYT by Fs is equal to root of sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square minus 2 mu sigma 1 sigma 2. It will be ellipse inside that hexagon. Inside that hexagon. Distortion energy theory or von Mises and Hickey's theory or shear strain energy theory, UD is equal to U total minus U volume is equal to sigma square by 2E minus of 1 minus 2 mu by 6E into sigma square is equal to 1 plus mu by 3E into sigma square. UD is equal to 1 plus mu by 3E into sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus sigma 3 square minus sigma 1 sigma 2 minus sigma 2 sigma 3 minus sigma 3 sigma 1. SYT by Fs is equal to root of sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus sigma 3 square minus sigma 1 sigma 2 minus sigma 2 sigma 3 minus sigma 3 sigma 1. For 2D, SYT by Fs is equal to root of sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square minus sigma 1 sigma 2. Accurate for ductile material. It is outside like this. Factor of safety is equal to strength by working stress. For uniaxial, all theories predict the same. Sigma 1 is equal to SYT. Design for fatigue. Terminology: mean stress or average stress sigma m is equal to sigma max plus sigma min by 2. Stress amplitude sigma a is equal to sigma max minus sigma min by 2. Stress range R is equal to sigma max minus sigma min. Stress ratio sigma R is equal to sigma min by sigma max. Stress amplitude is equal to sigma a by sigma m. Sigma a by sigma m. Stress, fluctuating stress, it will be like this. Stress and number of repeated number of cycles per time. Stress sigma 0 sigma max 0 sigma max. Repeated stress sigma R is equal to 0 sigma m is equal to sigma max by 2. Completely reversal load sigma R is equal to minus 1 sigma m is equal to 0. Fatigue strength SF rotating beam test completely reversed bending load sigma A is equal to sigma B is equal to 32 m by pi 7.5 cube. 7.5 is the diameter of that rod being tested. Sigma A, this is life. SUT, the gradual decrease 0.8 to 0.9 SUT at 10 cube life cycles, then key steep slope decrease, steep decrease at 0.5 SUT 10 power 6 cycles knee. Gradual decrease, steep decrease knee 0.5 SUT. Low cycle fatigue 0 to 10 cube, low cycle fatigue 10 cube, so on. High cycle fatigue 0 to 10 cube, missiles, rockets, studs on wheels. 10 cube, from 10 cube all bearings, IC engine, bolts, IC engine. 10 cube, before 10 cube finite life, after 10 cube infinite life. Endurance strength SC prime is equal to maximum stress amplitude. A standard polished specimen can withstand for minimum life of 1 million revolutions. 1 revolution, 1 million revolutions when it is subjected to completely reversal load. Endurance strength. Maximum stress amplitude. A standard polished specimen can withstand for a minimum life of 1 million revolution under completely reversal load. Fatigue strength SF L less than 10 power 6. Empirical formulas SC prime is equal to 0.5 SUT for steels if SUT less than 1400 MPa is equal to 700 MPa for steel if SUT greater than or equal to 1400 MPa. SC prime is equal to 0.4 SUT for cast iron. SC double prime is equal to 0.3 SUT for non-ferrous. Endurance strength modifying factors. SC is equal to Ka Kb so on into SC prime. Ka Kb modifying factors, surface finish factor, Ka SUT polished ground 0.9 machined or rolled, it will be like this. SC is equal to Ka SC prime. Size factor Kb SC is equal to Kb SC prime. Kb is equal to 1, D less than or equal to 8 mm. Kb is equal to 1.189 d power minus 0.097 d greater than 8 mm. Reliability factor Kc Sc is equal to Kc Sc prime. Kc is equal to 1, 50% reliability is equal to 0.895 for 90% reliability. Load factor Ke Sc is equal to Ke Sc prime. Ke is equal to 1, completely reversed bending, 0.8 axial load, 0.577 torsional load. Stress concentration modifying factor Kd Sc is equal to Kd Sc prime. Kd is equal to 1 by Kf. Kf is equal to actual stress concentration factor. Kf is equal to 1 plus Q into Kt minus 1. Q is notch sensitivity. Kt is theoretical stress concentration factor. Theoretical stress concentration factor Kt is equal to is equal to maximum stress near discontinuity by nominal stress. For example, here elliptical hole sigma max is equal to sigma into 1 plus 2a by b. A is perpendicular to sigma. Kt is equal to 1 plus 2a by b. If it is circle, Kt is equal to 3. If it is horizontal line, Kt is equal to 1. If it is vertical line, Kt is equal to infinity. Non-destructive testing. Non-destructive testing. In ductile material under static load, hole merged into metal, so no Kt. Corrected endurance strength Sc is equal to Ka into Kb into Kc into Kd so on into Sc prime. Kd is equal to 1 by Kf. Sigma A, sigma m, sigma A, sigma m. Here take Sc, here Syt, Sut. Draw a line from Sc to Syt. It is Soderberg line. After that Sc to Sut, that is Goodman's line. Sct, Sut, draw an ellipse, then it is Gerber's ellipse. Soderberg's line sigma m by Syt plus sigma A by Sc is equal to 1. Goodman's line sigma m by SUT plus sigma A by Sc is equal to 1. Gerber's ellipse sigma m by SUT whole square plus sigma A by Sc is equal to 1. For completely reversal load, all three will give same result. For life, use A is equal to SFL power B. A comma B constants. L life. A is equal to SF 10 cube B. SF of 10 cube B. A is equal to SC 10 power 6 B. Yes, 10 power 6b. Cumulative fatigue U minus minus equation sigma 1 for n cycles, sigma 2 for n2 cycles, so on. From sigma we can get L1 corresponding life to sigma 1, L2 corresponding life to sigma 2. N1 by L1 plus N2 by L2 so on plus Nx by Lx is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Alpha 1 by N1 plus alpha 2 by L2 plus so on alpha x by Lx is equal to 1 by L. N1 is equal to alpha 1 L. Alpha 1 is equal to percentage fraction of total life. L is equal to total life or whole life. Here L1 plus L2 so on Lx not equal to L. Because when L1 is when sigma 1 is completely acting. Distortion energy theory sigma m equivalent is equal to root of sigma m square plus 3 tau m square. Sigma a equivalent is equal to root of sigma a square plus 3 tau a square. Modified Goodman intersection zone of sigma a plus sigma m is equal to Syt by Fs and sigma a by Sc plus sigma m by Sut is equal to 1 by Fs. Whichever has largest factor of safety is selected. Bigger dia safer. To improve fatigue, short pinning, cold rolling, burnishing, hammering, case hardening. Welded joints, butt weld PPHT, thin plates, sigma T is equal to P by TL is equal to SYT by FS. Sigma T is equal to P by H1 plus H2 into L is equal to SYT by Fs. For fatigue load, Goodman or Soderberg, sigma A by SU plus sigma M by SUT, SYT is equal to 1 by Fs. Fillet, this is butt weld. This fillet weld, L, centroid will be here, S. ABC right angle isosceles triangle, S leg size, AB leg size, reinforcement face, this is reinforcement face tau, leg hypotenuse theta 45 degrees T1. Tau theta is equal to P by T1 L. T1 is equal to S by sin theta plus cos theta. Throat thickness T min is equal to S by root 2 S leg. Tau max is equal to root 2 P by SL is equal to 1.414 P by SL. Fillet weld maximum shear stress theory. Tau max is equal to SSY by Fs is equal to 1.414 P by SL. P is equal to SSY into SL by Fs into 1.414 is equal to 0.707 SL into SSY by Fs. For two welds, P is equal to 1.414 SL into SSY by Fs. Transverse fillet well, both normal and shear stress, but assumed to fail by shear at 62.5 degrees with respect to vertical. T is equal to throat thickness, T1 is equal to S by sin theta plus cos theta. Theta is equal to 45 degrees, T is equal to S by root 2. P is equal to 0.707 into S into L1 into SSY by Fs. Here L1 L is like this. Load carrying capacity P is equal to 2 into 0.707 SL into SSY by Fs plus 0.07 into SL1 into SSY by Fs. Axially loaded unsymmetrical welds P, A, B, L1, L2. P is equal to 0.707 SL into SSY by Fs. L is equal to L1 plus L2. P is equal to P1 plus P2. P1A is equal to P2B. P1 is equal to PB by A plus B. P2 is equal to PA by A plus B. P directly proportional to L1. L1 is equal to B L by A plus B. L2 is equal to A L by A plus B. P1 is equal to PB by A plus B. P is equal to P1 plus P2. Eccentrically loaded weld joints, direct shear and torsional shear. If P is applied here, E at a distance, P centroid force will be there, P. Due to that shear stress tau and direct shear will be generated, and due to this movement torsion will be created, and due to that the secondary shear stress will be generated. Tau 1, tau 2, tau 2. T is equal to throat thickness is equal to 0.707 S is equal to S by root 2. Throat thickness is S by root 2. Tau 1 is equal to direct shear stress is equal to P by throat area of two welds is equal to P by T into L into 2. Tau 2 secondary shear stress T by J is equal to T by J into R max. Tau R is equal to root of tau 1 square plus tau 2 square plus 2 tau 1 tau 2 cos theta. R max is distance from G. Jg1 is equal to 1 by 12 TL cube is equal to AL square by 12. Jg is equal to AL square by 12 plus R1 square whole into 2, as there are two welds. Welded joint subjected to movement. Torque fillet weld J is equal to Ix is equal to Iy plus Iz is equal to 2 pi R cube T. J tau is equal to T by J into R max is equal tau is equal to T by 2 pi R square T. R square T. T is equal to throat thickness is equal to 0.707 S. Screwed fasteners. This is head shank thread D DC sigma tau will be applied like this. Nut bolted joint nut it will be like this. Screwed joint it will be like this. M D cross P. M is isometric. D nominal diameter. D into P the fine threads. P is pitch component subjected to vibration. MD coarse threads general purpose. 60 degrees then it is isometric. Square threads ACME 29 degrees. Power transmission used for power. These two used for power transmission. Stresses due to preload tensile stress sigma T is equal to Fi by pi by 4 dc square. Torsional shear stress tau is equal to 16 T by pi dc cube. 16 T by pi dc cube. Stress across threads tau volt is equal to Fi by n pi dct. F tau nut is equal to Fi by n pi dt. N is equal to number of threads in contact. Crushing stress sigma C is equal to load by projectile area of contact is equal to Fi by n into pi by 4 into d square minus dc square. Stress due to external load P. Tensile stress sigma T is equal to P by pi by 4 dc square. Shear stress tau is equal to F by pi by 4 d square. Maximum shear stress theory tau max is equal to root of sigma T by 2 whole square plus tau square is equal to SSY by FSA. Maximum distortion energy theory sigma equivalent is equal to root of sigma T square plus 3 tau square is equal to SYT by FS. External load is P is equal to pressure into area of cylinder. P is equal to PR into pi by 4 d square. P is equal to PV plus PM. PB external load taken by bolt. PM external load taken by connecting members. Stress in combined P and Fi. Delta B increase in elongation of bolt, but delta B not equal to delta M. Delta M decrease in compression of members. Pb by Kb is equal to Pm by Km. Pb is equal to Kb P by Kb plus Km. Pm is equal to Km P by Kb plus Km. Stiffness factor C is equal to Kb by Kb plus Km. Pb is equal to Cp. Pm is equal to 1 minus C into P. Bolt design Fb is equal to Pb plus Fi is equal to Cp plus Fi. Sigma T is equal to Fb by pi by 4 dc square is equal to Syt by Fs. Checking for leakage, resultant load Fm less than or equal to 0 to prevent leakage. Compressive Fm should be compressive. Fm is equal to Pm minus Fi is equal to 1 minus C into P minus Fi. Effect of preload to make joint leak proof. Increase normal force friction. Preload increases fatigue life. Eccentric loaded joints, if P is applied like this, then primary shear will be upward and which will be equally distributed. PS1 is equal to PS2 is equal to PS3 is equal to PA by 4, and there will be secondary shear due to torsion generated. T is equal to PE. PS1 prime directly proportional to R1. PS1 prime is equal to KR1. PS1 prime is equal to PE into R1 by sigma Ri square. PSR is equal to root of PS1 square plus PS1 prime square plus 2 PS1 prime cos theta. Eccentrically loaded joints load parallel to axis of bolts. Critical 2 and 4 with the tensile and bending. Direct tensile load Ft1 is equal to Ft2 is equal to Ft3 is equal to Ft4 is equal to P by 4. Tensile load due to bending Ft1 prime directly proportional to L1, Ft2 prime directly proportional to L2. Sigma m tilting edge is equal to 0. K is equal to PL by 2 into L1 square plus L2 square. Ft R2 is equal to Ft2 plus F is equal to P by 4 plus KL2 is equal to P by 4 plus PL into L2 by 2 into L1 square plus L2 square. FTR is equal to Ft sigma T is equal to FTR by A is equal to FTR by pi by 4 dc square is equal to SYT by Fs uniaxial. Bolt of uniform strength thread sigma T is equal to P by pi by 4 dc square. Shank sigma S is equal to P by pi by 4 d square. Sigma T greater than sigma S. Energy per unit volume U is equal to sigma square by 2E. In order to make sigma T is equal to sigma X, sigma S decrease shank diameter, increase root diameter to shank. Hole to be drilled dh is equal to root of d square minus dc square. Longer bolt IC engine U total energy is equal to sigma square by 2E into volume is equal to sigma square by 2E into AL. Bearings function to support sliding contact bearings SCV journal carries only radial load perpendicular to axial pulley. Thruster collar supports axial load turbine parallel to axis or along it. Journal bearing small d is equal to diameter of journal or shaft, capital A is equal to diameter of bearing, inner L is equal to length of journal, CD is equal to diametrical clearance, capital A minus small d, C is equal to radial clearance is equal to capital R minus small r is equal to CD by 2. P is equal to bearing pressure is equal to load by projected area is equal to W by LD. Thick film lubrication, hydrodynamic bearing, pressure by action of journal. Hydrostatic bearing, pressure created by pump. Principle of hydrodynamic bearing, tau is equal to mu du by dy minus dp by dx is equal to 0. F friction coefficient is equal to 2 pi square mu ns by p into r by c. Ns rps revolutions per second, p is pressure, w is equal to w by ld. Projected area is ld, L into T. Mu ns by p bearing characteristic number BCN based on RPS. C by R radial clearance ratio RCR. Torque T is equal to FW into R. Power lost P is equal to 2 pi NT by 60 is equal to T omega is equal to FW into V. Heat generated Hg is equal to power lost heat dissipated Hg is equal to FWV. Hd is equal to Ca into Tv minus Ta. C heat dissipation, Qa projected area, Ta ambient temperature. Artificial coolant m dot S delta T is equal to Hg minus Hd. Bearing performance, F bearing characteristic number BCN mu n by p, bearing modulus beta. F thick film unstable, thin film unstable in this direction, thick film stable in this direction. Bearing characteristic, bearing modulus beta, 3 beta less than or equal to mu n by p operating less than or equal to 15 beta. Attitude epsilon is equal to E by C is equal to eccentricity by radial clearance is epsilon is equal to C minus H naught by is equal to C minus H naught by C is equal to 1 minus H naught by C. H naught is equal to 1 minus epsilon into C. E capital R is equal to E plus small r plus HO. E is equal to C minus HO. C is equal to capital R minus small r. H max is equal to 1 plus epsilon into C. 0 less than or equal to epsilon less than or equal to 1. At 0, H naught is equal to C, thick film lubrication. At 1, H naught is equal to 0, thin film lubrication. Rolling contact bearing, ball contact type, rolling contact type. Balls and races, high carbon, high chromium steel. Types of roller bearing, FA is equal to 0, FR rolling machine, cylindrical rollers, FR, FA, frustum of cone, tapered roller bearing can carry axial load. Barrel, spherical roller bearing, example nowadays, railway axial. FR, in this direction supports angular misalignment. If it is like this, heavy radial load, but FA is equal to 0. Needle roller bearing carries heavy radial load. Sommerfeld number SO is equal to R by C whole square plus mu NS by P. NS is in RPS. Type of ball bearing, outer ring is like this. FR, FA, deep groove ball bearing. Deep groove ball bearing, example fan. FA by FR is less than 1. Angular contact ball bearing, it will be like this. Example drill spindle. FA by FR greater than 1 direction. Self aligning ball bearing, example to correct angular misalignment. FA least coefficient of friction. Thrust ball bearing, all vertical shafts carrying gears except spur gear. FR is equal to 0. Bearing series D1 less than D2 less than D3 less than D4. 100 lightweight, 200, 300, 400 heavyweight. Bearing designation SKF X manufacturing number. It comes from the right 1, 2, 3, 4. Last two numbers into 5. They were multiplied by 5, we will get a D inner diameter. This is bearing series, this is manufacturing number. BIS or ISO, first 3 diameter, next B ball, R roller, C deep groove ball bearing, X width, this width series, this is diameter series. Static load carrying capacity CO is equal to KD square Z by 5 for ball bearing is equal to KD ZL by 5 for roller bearing. K is equal to constant, capital A is equal to ball diameter, Z is equal to number of rollers, L is equal to length of roller. Life L number of revolutions completed before evidence of fatigue crack. Elton life or rated life 10% of bearing failed and 90% good. L50 life or average life 50% failed and 50% good. L50 is equal to 5 L10. L10 means only 10% failed. Basic load rating minimum rated life of 1 million revolution. L10 minimum is equal to 10 power 6 revolution. Load life equation L is equal to C by P whole power K. L is equal to rated life in million revolution. C is equal to basic load rating. K is equal to 3 for ball. K is equal to 3 for ball bearing. K is equal to 10 by 3 for roller bearing. P is equal to equivalent load is equal to XVFR plus YFA into CS. X is equal to radial load factor, Y is equal to axial load factor, V is equal to race rotation factor is equal to 1 for inner race is equal to 1.2 for outer race. CS is equal to service factor is equal to maximum load by mean load. Cumulative fatigue, let a bearing subjected to load P1 at speed N1 RPM for alpha 1 percentage of time, load P2 at speed N2 RPM for alpha 2 percentage of time. Life completed in N1 revolution, alpha 1 into N1 is equal to N1 by L1 is equal to N1 P1 cube by C cube into 10 power 6. P is equal to cube root of N1 P1 cube plus N2 P2 cube plus so on Nx Px cube by N1 plus N2 plus so on Nx. Comparison, Load, speed, hydrodynamic bearing, it is a straight line. Hydrostatic bearing, it is a straight like this. Roller contact bearing is with speed decreases. Load carrying capacity. F N speed ball bearing, it is like this. Ball bearing is this. Hydrodynamic bearing is this. We already saw. Roller contact bearing is this. Hydrodynamic bearing best at high speed turbines. Coefficient of friction. HDMA hydrodynamic bearing low cost, roller contact bearing more cost, noise hydrodynamic bearing quieter, roller contact bearing more noise. Brake design KET is equal to half into half m into V1 square minus V2 square. KER is equal to half I into omega 1 square minus omega 2 square. P is equal to mgh. W brake is equal to T into theta. T is equal to mu F into R. W is equal to T into theta. Work done is equal to mu FV into T. Mu FV into T. Heat generated per second is equal to mu FV directly proportional to wear rate. Wear rate directly proportional to mu FV. Life inversely proportional to wear rate. Shoe brake, short shoe, 2 theta less than 45 degrees, uniform pressure, quotient of friction is equal to mu. Long shoe, 2 theta greater than 45 degrees, non-uniform pressure, mu equivalent is equal to 4 mu sin theta by 2 theta plus sin 2 theta. Sigma m pivot is equal to 0. PL minus Rnx plus mu Rn into A is equal to 0. This is applied moment, this is frictional moment. If it is rotating like this, on this one mu r1 is in this direction, on this shoe mu rn is like this. Sigma m pivot is about this point, moment is applied 0. If the applied moment and frictional moment, applied moment is P into L. Applied moment and frictional moment are in same direction, then it is self-energizing brake. P is equal to Rn into x minus mu A by L. If mu A less than x, P greater than 0, positive automobile brake. Mu A is equal to x, P is equal to 0. Mu A greater than x, P less than 0. These two are cases are self-locking brake, lifts, cranes. Used in lifts, cranes. Pressure is equal to normal reaction by projected area. Band brake sigma m pivot is equal to 0. Pivot is this one. And find T1, T2, then P into L minus T1 into A plus T2 into B is equal to 0. Sigma m pivot this direction is equal to 0. If it is rotating in this direction, if it is rotating in this direction. Based on that, we can understand whichever is tighter side has more tension. One end of band is connected to pivot, simple band brake. One end of band is connected to lever, differential band brake. Cannot be used as self-locking brake. Wear rate directly proportional to mu Fe. Wear rate per unit area directly proportional to mu PV. P is brake pressure. Pressure P is equal to T by R omega. At pi is equal to 0 degrees, P max is equal to T1 by R omega. At pi is equal to G theta, P min is equal to T2 by R omega. P max by P min is equal to T1 by T2 is equal to e power mu theta. Theta is this angle from the point of contact, this contact to this contact is theta. T1 by T2 is equal to e power mu theta. Clutch design used to connect or disconnect source of power from remaining parts. Torque T is equal to I alpha, alpha is equal to omega 2 minus omega 1 by T. Clutch types, friction clutch, plate single, heavy vehicles, cars, multi-scooter bikes, conical, cylindrical. Positive clutch, jaw, spiral, low speed. Delta W is equal to normal force on elemental ring is equal to pressure into 2 pi r dr. Frictional force delta F is equal to mu into delta W is equal to mu p 3 pi r dr. frictional torque delta T is equal to delta F into R is equal to mu P 2 pi R dr into R. Delta T is equal to mu P 2 pi R square dr. Mu clutch or uniform pressure P is equal to constant T is equal to mu P into 2 pi into R1 cube minus R2 cube by 3. W is equal to P into 2 pi into R1 minus R2 square R1 square minus R2 square by 2. P is equal to W by pi into R1 square minus R2 square. T is equal to 2 mu W by 3 into R1 cube minus R2 cube by R1 square minus R2 square. Used clutch or uniform wear rate directly proportional to mu PV directly proportional to PR. For uniform wear rate, PR is equal to constant. Delta T is equal to mu P into 2 pi R 2 pi R square dr. P is equal to C by R. T is equal to mu C into 2 pi into R1 square minus R2 square by 2. W is equal to integral P into 2 pi R dr is equal to 2 pi into C into R2 minus R1. T is equal to mu W into R1 plus R2 by 2 into N. N is number of effective sides. RFW is equal to R1 plus R2 by 2. RFP greater than RFW. N is equal to N1 plus N2 minus 1. N1 number of plates on driver side, N2 number of plates on follower side. Conical clutch omega Wn is equal to Wa by sin alpha. Remaining formulas remain same. Tp is equal to 2 by 3 mu into Wn into R1 cube minus R2 cube by R1 square minus R2 square is equal to 2 mu Wa by sin alpha into R1 cube minus R2 cube by R1 square minus R2 square. Mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort is equal to Wn by Wa is equal to 1 by sin alpha. For engaging, WA is equal to WA plus mu WN cos alpha. For disconnecting, WAD is equal to WA minus mu WN cos alpha. WAD less than or equal to 0. Self-locking or grabbing. To avoid grabbing, mu less than tan alpha. Centrifugal clutch used in mopped washing machine chainsaw. Normal force N is equal to Fc2 minus S1 is equal to Fc2 minus Fc1. N is equal to mrg into omega 2 square minus omega 1 square. Frictional force Ft is equal to mu n into n. N is number of shoes. Torque T is equal to Ft into R is equal to mu rg into mrg into omega 2 square minus omega 1 square into n into T. N into R. R is rim radius and the number of shoes. Gear design PC is equal to circular pitch is equal to pi d by t mm. M is equal to module is equal to d by t mm. PD is equal to diametrical pitch is equal to t by d 1 by mm. Higher velocity ratio warm gear 60 to 100. Clearance is equal to dedendum minus addendum. Backlash is equal to width space minus tooth thickness. Interference tip of one gear touches bottom of meshing gear. Law of gearing omega 2 by omega 1 is equal to O1p by O2p is equal to R1 by R2. Involute profile pressure angle pi. Angle pi. Base pitch. RB is equal to R cos pi. Tangential force Ft is equal to F cos pi. Ft is equal to F cos pi. RB is equal to R cos pi. Torque Tg is equal to Ft into R1. Tp is equal to Ft into R2. Power is equal to 2 pi nt by 60 is equal to T omega is equal to constant. Tg omega g is equal to Tp omega p. V is equal to R omega is equal to constant. R1 omega 1 is equal to R2 omega 2. Radial force Fr is equal to F sin pi. Separating force. Lewis equation or beam strength equation. Each tooth cantilever beam uniformly distributed load along the face width. Sigma b is equal to 6ft h by wt square. Critical point roots. Rankines sigma 1 is equal to SYT by Fs or SUT by Fs. Material cast iron, steels as sigma 1 is equal to S allowable strength 6ft H by WT square is equal to S. Ft load carrying capacity is equal to SWT square by 6H into PC by PC is equal to SWM into pi T square by PC is Ft is equal to SWMY. Y is equal to Lewis form factor is equal to T square by 6HM. Y is equal to pi into 0.154 minus 0.912 by T for pi is equal to 20 degrees. Central distance dp is equal to central distance is equal to dp plus dg is equal to m by 2 into tp plus tg. Load carrying capacity F2 is equal to cs by cv into factor of safety into ft. Cs is equal to service factor is equal to starting torque by rated torque. Cv is equal to velocity factor is equal to 3 by 3 plus v 0 less than v less than 10. 6 by 6 plus v 10 less than or equal to v less than or equal to 20. 5.6 by 5.6 plus root v 20 less than v. Ft dynamic is equal to Ft shear into Cy is equal to SWMY into CV. FTD less than FTS. FTD is equal to transmission plus F variable tooth errors. Fr is equal to Ft tan pi. F resultant is equal to Ft by cos pi. Gear and pinion are made of same material. Design depends on pinion as it transmits less load due to less form factor and undercutting. Gear and pinion of different material depends on which has low strength factor S strength Y form factor. This factor is considered whichever has less based on the design. Whale load carrying capacity of pinion Fw is equal to KdPWQ. K is equal to load stress factor is equal to SEW square in by 1.4 into sin pi into 1 by EP plus 1 by EG. SEW surface endurance strength. Q is equal to ratio factor is equal to 2 Tg by Tg plus Tp for external is equal to 2 Tg by Tg minus Tp for internal gears. Design of shafts bending sigma b is equal to 32 m by pi d cube. Sigma b halo is equal to 32 m by pi d cube into 1 minus k power 4. Torsion tau is equal to 16t by pi d cube. Tau halo is equal to 16t by pi d cube into 1 minus k power 4. Combined Rankine theory ME equivalent bending moment is equal to half into m plus root of m square plus t square. Sigma b is equal to 32 me by pi d cube is equal to syt by fs. Equivalent torque T is equal to root of m square plus t square. Tau ma is equal to 16 T by pi d cube is equal to SSY by Fs. T is equal to root of kbm whole square plus ktt whole square. Me is equal to half into kbm plus root of kbm whole square plus ktt whole square. Kb is equal to combined shock and fatigue factor for bending. Kt is equal to combined shock and fatigue factor for torsion. Flywheel design WD is equal to integral theta 1 to theta 2 TD theta is equal to Tm into theta 2 minus theta 1. Tm is equal to integral theta 1 to theta 2 TD theta by integral theta 1 to theta 2 d theta. P is equal to 2 pi n Tm by 60. Fluctuation of energy delta E is equal to Emax minus Emin. Delta E is equal to half I omega max square minus omega min square. CE quotient of fluctuation of energy is equal to fluctuation in energy by work done per cycle is equal to half I omega max square minus omega min square by half I omega square. CE is equal to 2 into omega max minus omega min by omega min is equal to 2 CS. CS is equal to quotient of fluctuation of speed is equal to omega max minus omega min by omega mean. Delta E is equal to half I omega max square minus omega min square is equal to I omega square CS. Stresses in flywheel material cast iron. Stress due to centrifugal Force stress shrinkage force tensile stress sigma t is equal to rho v square is equal to rho r square omega square. Riveted joints eccentric similar to bolted joints used in aircraft structures, bridges, automobile industry, electronic industry. Tail, shank, head. Unwin's formula d is equal to 6 root t for t greater than or equal to 8 mm. Modes of failure. Tension failure in plate Ft is equal to sigma t into P minus dH into T. P minus dH into T. Shearing failure of rivet Fs is equal to pi by 4 d square into sigma s for single shear. Fs is equal to pi by 4 d square sigma s into 2 for double shear. Bearing or crushing failure between plates and rivets Fb is equal to sigma b into dt. Sigma b allowable bending stress in rivet into dt. Efficiency of rivet joint eta is equal to least of ft fs fb f. Helical springs tau max is equal to tau s plus tau d. Tau max is equal to kw 16 ts by pi d cube. Ts is equal to w capital D by 2. This is small d wire diameter. This is capital A coil diameter. Kw is equal to 4c minus 1 by 4c minus 4 plus 0.615 by c. C is equal to spring index is equal to capital A by small d. Kw is equal to wall correction factor is equal to Kc into Ks. Kc curvature factor, Ks shear stress factor. Stiffness of spring K is equal to G small d power 4 by 8 N capital D cube. N is equal to number of coils, axial loading, tau s plus tau d. Twisting of springs, bending created, bending of springs, twisting stress created. For rim type flywheel, Vmax is equal to root of sigma h by rho. For disc type flywheel, Vmax is equal to root of 8 sigma h by rho into mu plus 3. Mu is equal to Poisson's ratio. Bearing life and reliability, L by A is equal to log 10 of 1 by r whole power 1 by b. Ca is equal to 6.84, b is equal to 1.17. L90 by L99 is equal to log 10 of 1 by 0.9 by log 10 base 10 of 1 by 1 by 0.99 whole power 1 by 1.17. R by Cf quotient of friction variable CFV is equal to psi of R by C whole square plus mu ns by p. Mu ns by p, this whole thing is a Sommerfeld number. Q by RC NSL is equal to FV quotient of flow variable. Gate previous papers mistakes. If there is a hole, stress concentration factor is due to sudden change of cross-sectional area. As the hole size increases, sudden change decreases and stress concentration factor decreases. Endurance limit decreases with increase in surface roughness and with increase in size of beam. Endurance limit decreases with increase in roughness and increase in size of beam. Okay, Kf is equal to fatigue stress concentration factor. Sc prime is equal to Sc by Kf. Weldments in fabricated steel beams are designed for combination of bending and shear. It will be like this: bending and shear. Pre-tensioning helps to seal or prevent leakage from pressure vessel, increases fatigue life of bolts, increases tensile stress in bolt. Fb is equal to Fi plus Cp. C Kb by Kb plus Km. Larger pressure angle creates smaller base circles, which reduces chances of interference, hence undercutting decreases. Spur gear involute is generated on base circle. Pitch circle is imaginary circle by which rolling motion. To make warm gear reversible, increase number of starts. Lead L is equal to N into P. D is equal to pitch circle diameter of worm. Tan gamma is equal to L by pi d. If tan gamma greater than mu, drive reversible. If tan gamma less than mu, self-locking. To avoid interference, minimum number of teeth on pinion T min is equal to 2 AR by sin square pi. For a full depth, AR is equal to 1, pi is equal to pressure angle. Contact ratio MC is equal to length of action by PB is equal to LA by PC, LAB by PC cos pi. PC is equal to pi m. 8.3 P into CFV by F is equal to temperature rise degree centigrade of lubricant. Power loss due to friction is equal to FW into R omega. Power loss due to viscosity is equal to mu R omega by H naught into pi dl into R omega. Pi dl is A, R omega is V, mu R omega by H naught to tau. Tan pi is equal to mu, pi is equal to friction angle, x is equal to friction radius is equal to R sin pi. T pinion is equal to P by omega. If this is only tangential force, Ft is equal to T pinion by Mt by 2. Resultant force on contacting gear tooth Ft is equal to Ft by cos pi. Ft is equal to Swmy into Cv. Here Cv is less than 1. If given greater than 1, then take 1 by Cv. Automobile wheel axle, taper roller bearing, grinding spindle, angular contact bearing, IC engine connecting rod, hydrodynamic bearing, leaf spring, Teflon or nylon bush. Hydrodynamic bearing exhibit high starting torque compared to hydrostatic bearing low. F is equal to 2 pi square mu ns by p into r by c. Substitute ns in rps. Universal formula delta t is equal to mu p 2 pi r dr into r. Uniform where p is not constant, p max r2 is equal to p min r1 is equal to c. W is equal to 2 pi c into r1 minus r2 is equal to 2 pi p max into r2 into r1 minus r2. Tw is equal to mu w into r1 plus r2 by 2. Bart's method, F total is equal to FTS into CV. F total is equal to SWMY into CV. Y is equal to pi into 0.154 minus 0.192 by T. If Y is given near to, then almost equal to 0.3. F total is equal to SWMY CV into pi. Then Y is equal to 0.154 minus 0.192 by T. This will be equal to 0.1, almost equal to 0.1. Anti-friction bearing, ball and roller bearings.